Hello and welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Mr. Expert. So in my today's session, I'll show you how you can create your very first GitHub account. So yes, let's get started. So as the very first step, I'm going to my browser and type github.com here. And yes, then I will be directed to a page like this. So if you move to this upper right corner, you can see there are two options like sign in and sign up. So if you are a new member, you can move forward with the sign up option. But if you already have a GitHub account, then you can move forward with the sign in option. So since I'm going to create my very first GitHub account with my this mail address, then I'm going to select this sign up option. Okay, then they ask you to enter your mail address. So I will enter my mail address like this. So you have to enter a valid mail address. Um, yes, here you can see once you enter a valid mail address, this continue button is enabled. Say for example, your mail address is not valid, then you can see this continue button is disabled. That means it's not green color. So we have to enter a valid mail address here, and then I'm going to click continue here, and then you have to enter a password. So let me enter mine. So make sure to enter a strong password in here. In my case, you can see the password is strong. If it's not strong, actually you have to like uh, create a password which has at least 15 characters, or else you have to give a password which is at least 8 characters long, and it should include a number as well as a lowercase letter. So here my password is so I have given a strong password, and you can see the continue button is enabled. And now I'm going to say continue. Yes, in here you have to enter a username for your GitHub repository, for your GitHub account. So let me enter mine as Techspert. So it does not have to be a unique one. In here you can see this password, this username is already available, but that's fine. This continue button is still enabled. So I'll say continue here. So in here they ask, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? So I'm going to say yes. And then continue. And they ask us to verify the account. So we have to, so what do they ask us to do? Pick one square that shows two identical objects. Two identical objects. I think these two are identical. Done. And the next thing is this one. Okay, then our account is verified, and then we have to say create the account. Then they have sent a code to our mail. So let's check the mail. Yes, in here you will get the code like this, right? Hope you can see the screen. In here they have sent a code here. So let's copy this and paste here. Okay. So the next question is how many team members will be working with you? So for now, it's just me. So I'll say just me. And are you a student or a teacher? I'll say I'm a student. So let's continue. What specific features are you interested in using? Mm, we can select multiple, right? So in here, I'll select everything. No, this must be okay for now. Okay, then we have two versions. One is a free version, and the next thing is an enterprise version. That means we have to purchase. So for now, I'm going to move forward with this free version. So you can see what are the options they have for this free version. So let me say continue for free. Then you will see an animation like this, and they are initializing our dashboard. So yes, this is the dashboard, or the very first screen after we creating our account. So in here, uh, in this upper right corner, you can see a circle along with the drop down option, right? So let me just click on this drop down option. So in here, they say that I'm signed in as Mr. Expert, which is my username. And in here, I can go to my profile and the repositories, projects, and everything, right? And I can sign out from here. And if I go to my profile, so it's like this. So you can upload your profile picture, um, and if you want, right? And also the repositories will be shown in this tab. So for now, since this is a newly created account, you don't have any repositories or projects or packages. So here you have you can select this any of these things. So moving forward, I'll be talking about all these things. So yes, for now, let's go to this. In here also, you will see if you have any repositories, they will be shown here. So I'll show you how to create your own repository and upload your repositories to GitHub. So yes, that's how you are going to create your very first GitHub account. So it's very easy, and in my upcoming sessions, I'll show you how to create your own repository. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining.